Hello guys, what's up? So if you tried my previous video on how to get the piercing filter on TikTok and still if you are not finding this filter, I was talking about this video, how to get the piercing challenge filter on TikTok, and still if you are not finding this filter, this is because this filter is not available in your region. So to get this effect, what you can do, first of all remove your SIM card, then go to a VPN app and choose a server from United States. So as you can see, my server is now United States. After choosing that, go to TikTok, then choose the effect button. Now go to beauty. Now here, remember this image, this is the filter, just tap on it and it will take a second to download. Let's wait for it. Okay, and we are almost done, and that is very slow. Okay, and that's it. So tap the screen to change the piercing. Okay, you close your eyes and you tap on the screen. Okay, and likewise. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter if you are not getting this filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.